Do you know how to create an account on Facebook Business Manager? Knowing how to create a business manager account is one of the essential tasks for any digital marketer. If you haven't started using Facebook Business Manager because it seems confusing or intimidating, you're in luck. This video gives you a detailed guide on how to create and configure Facebook Business Manager. Now let's dive in. What is Facebook Business Manager? It's a free tool developed by Facebook to allow businesses and agencies to securely manage their company's pages, ad accounts, catalogs, and pixels in one place without sharing login information or being connected to their coworkers on Facebook. Why use Facebook Business Manager? When you log into Business Manager, you're taken directly to your business assets on Facebook. From there, you can access your pages, Ads Manager, and other business-related assets without seeing your newsfeed or notifications. The second best reason to use Business Manager is to keep everything organized and secure. If you manage more than one Facebook page, ad account, or other assets for yourself or your clients, there's a lot of back and forth to get from one asset to the next. More importantly, it isn't easy to oversee everything you and others can access. Now that you know why you might want to use Facebook Business Manager, let's get you set up. Step 1. Set up your Business Manager account. At this point, we're assuming you already set up a Facebook business page. If you haven't, do that first. Otherwise, you need to create a Business Manager account. For this, go to Facebook Business Manager page and click on Create Account. Then fill out the form with basic information such as your business name, owner name, and business email address. Then click on Submit. At this point, you should receive a confirmation email. Click Confirm Now in that email, and that's it. You now have a Facebook Business Manager account. Step 2. Link your Facebook pages. In this step, you have a couple of different choices. You can add an existing Facebook business page or create a new one. If you manage Facebook pages for clients or other businesses, you can also request access to someone else's page. We'll assume you're managing your assets rather than acting as an agency, so we won't get into the request access process, but be sure to keep this difference in mind. To add your Facebook page to Facebook Business Manager, from the Business Manager dashboard, click Add Page. Then, in the pop-up box, click Add Page again. Start typing the name of your Facebook business page in the text box. Your business page name should autocomplete below, so you can click on it. Then click Add Page. Assuming you have administrator access to the page you're trying to add, your request will be approved automatically. If you have more than one Facebook page associated with your business, add the remaining pages following the same steps. Step 3. Add your Facebook ad accounts. Note that once you add your ad account to Facebook Business Manager, you can't remove it, so it's vital only to add accounts you own. To access a client account, click Request Access instead. If you don't already have a Facebook Ads account, here's how to set one up. From the Business Manager dashboard, click Add Ad Account, then Create Account. 1. Add Ad Account button on Facebook Business Manager setup. 2. Enter your account details, then click Next. 3. Indicate that you're using the ad account for your own business, then click Create. Step 4. Add and assign people. In the dashboard, select People, then click the Add button and enter the business email address of the team member you want to add. You can decide whether to give these individuals limited account access, which would be employee access, or full access, which would be admin access. You can get more specific in the next stage. Make sure to add people using their work email addresses, then click Next. In the left menu, click on Pages. Choose which pages you want this team member to work on. Customize the individual's access using the toggle switches. Go back to the left menu and click on Add Accounts. Again, customize the user's access using the toggle switches. When you're finished, click Invite. To add more team members, click Add More People. When you're finished, click Done. Now you need to wait for each individual to accept your invitation to be part of your Facebook Business Manager team. Takeaways. As you can see, Business Manager is an easy to manage and easy to use tool. If what you want to achieve is to get the maximum profitability from the business, there is no doubt that Facebook Business Manager is a platform that can be of great help. Basically, to impact its extensive user database. Don't forget to keep track of each of the campaigns you've carried out. This will help you to check which ones are working correctly and which ones aren't. That's it for today. I hope you're ready to use Facebook Business Manager to make the most of your Facebook ads and marketing efforts. If you're looking to learn more about Facebook Pixel and how to install and set it up, make sure to watch our video here or link below. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bells. See you in the next video.